Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and today's little short video, hopefully it's going to be short, is why I like to draw in Corel Draw, because you can use it for more than just drawing with it. You can use it for mechanical movements to make sure everything's going to fit. I created this mailbox, so this is mainly going to be for a plasma cutter, but it might work if you're doing something interesting with a laser engraver. I made this metal mailbox, and the customer wanted a flag on it, and I didn't originally put a flag on it. I just today installed this flag on site, so I was able to bolt it on. But what's so neat about Corel Draw, you can, before you cut out your pieces, you can make sure they're going to work. And so what I did, I had to stand it off of the mailbox by over an inch. So I just created some round circles, and I drilled some holes into these 3/16" plate, which represents these holes, which are going to keep the flag up and keep the flag down. But what's so neat about this, once you draw, so I had a 3-inch circle. As you can see, I've got a 3-inch circle. I put some 1/4-inch holes. Now, when I made this, I have the luxury of having a laser engraver first. So I cut this out in wood, and then I had a template. So I cut the round circle out of steel, but then I was able to put my template on top and actually drill my holes precisely. And you don't ever know if it's going to fit together, but if you build it, here and draw it here, I just made it red so represent the red flag. But when you go to turn it, so this is, let's just back up. This is in the up position. So if you moved it down, this is where it would be staying when the flag is up to notify the mailman that you want mail picked up. So it's not going to fall over because it's got this pin on this notch. And that's not really the reason for the video. The reason for the video is to show you how you can use this and make sure everything fits together, make sure everything clears. And so here you have it in the up position. I'm going to rotate it on this pin, and what I'm looking for, one, I want to make sure it's going to clear that pin, which it does. So you can adjust that if it doesn't. But then when I go down and leave it in its normal position, it's going to hit this pin and it's going to rest there out of sight. Now this isn't exactly the one I drew up because my corners don't stick over that much, and that wouldn't be bad. I probably needed to move the holes down when I redrew this. But this is pretty neat because you can move parts around. So let's put it back to 0 and it'll go right back where it's at. So this is the up position. And that's why I like drawing in Corel Draw, because you can actually make things kind of fit together and see how they're going to work before you cut them out. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.